Guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss class 10th chapter progressions and topic is geometric progression. Okay, so what is geometric progression? We are going to discuss geometric progression of class 10th of state syllabus. So what is geometric progression? In geometric progression the series will be in this way: AR square, AR cube, AR power n minus 1, AR power n. Okay, so what is general term of an AP? Nothing but the nth term of an AP, nth term of GP, sorry. So Tn equal to An, that equal to A dot A into R power n minus 1, where A is the first term and AR is the second term and AR square is the third term, so on, and AR power n minus 1 is the last term. Okay, so what is a common ratio? What is R indicates in this? R is a common ratio. So how to find the common ratio? So we have to take the ratio between two consecutive terms, that is AR the second term by first term, that equal to, or third term by second term, so on, last term by last but one term, that is AR power n by AR power n minus 1. Okay, so we are going to discuss one example for JP series. So what is given here? Write the JP series if the first term is 3 and the common ratio R is given as 2. So before going to solve this sum, first write down what is given in the question. So what is given here? First term, that is T1, that equal to A. We can call first term as T1 or A also, small a, that is given as 3, and R is given as, that is common ratio, that is given as 2. So we need to find the GP series here. So this is a general term of the GP, guys. So AR square, so on, AR power n minus 1 up to AR power n. So AR power n is the last term and A is the first term. Okay, so A is the first term, AR is the second term. So we have first term in the given question, right? So if we know the common ratio and the first term in any series, then we can find any term in the given series. Okay, so to know third term, fourth term and fifth term, first of all we have to solve for second term, guys. So what is T2 here? The formula is A dot R, that is A into R, that is given as A value is given as 3 and R value that is given as 2, that indicates 6. So what is T3? That is third term, A into R square. So substitute the values. A value, that is first term, given as 3 and R square is 2 square, that is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. So similarly T4, that is A dot R power 3, that is 3 dot 3 into 2 cube, that is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 24, guys. So on, that is, this is the last term, A into R power n. So they are asking to find the GP series, right? So substitute all the values. 3, 6, 3 is the first term, that is given in the question. 6 we solve here, second term. 12 is the third term. 24 is the fourth term. So on. This is the nth term. Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll discuss further sums in the next video. Thank you.